Hi there. In this video I'm going to find out if I need to replace my battery or not. Hopefully not. So, after almost half an hour trip, I think 12 kilometers in the city or something like that, it barely managed to go to 50%, and this is only with daytime running lights, so I don't have my low beam or high beam on. Only with LEDs, this is maximum that it got. When I started it, it was at 0 and it barely started. I will show you that next. And at this point I'm going to connect my laptop and with the VCDS interface and check a few things. Come on, focus please. Anything? Yeah, that's trying to focus. Anyway, not important. Check a few things and see the state of this particular battery. So hopefully it's good. As you can see, we are a bit higher now after, I don't know, 7 more minutes or something like that. So this thing is started. We need to go to select. Okay, should have 19 CAN gateway. Go there. And we should go to measuring blocks, and I think I just clicked on something which wasn't intentional here. Here I need to put 18, in the lower one 19 and 20. So let's do that off video because it will take a while. Okay, so it seems the laptop that I'm running, this one, is too slow for this particular thing of trying to show more than one measuring blocks. So it will give an error quite quickly, but I have a chance to see for the moment 18, and I will take them one by one. Okay, so the temperature you can see 2 degrees. And when I'm going to try and click here, probably it will give the error. If I'm lucky, it will not. But let's see that. Okay, and it seems I'm lucky. Let's go to the third. And go. Okay, so from 91 amp hours, 92 that my battery should have, I only have 18. So yeah, battery aging. This battery is Gansky. It's Gansky. Yeah, 18 amps from 92. So yes, I really do need to change this. Okay, I'm going to go search for a better one, and I will make a separate video on how to code the new battery in, and I will obviously link it in the description. Just wanted to add at the end of the video that I found out something even more interesting. If you scan 022, you get how much energy has passed through your battery. And from what I found on forums from Audi, I don't know, service people that stay on forums in their free time, it seems that I think this or this number, I will write down below which of them, needs to be about maximum 50 times the amps of the battery. So for a 100 amp battery, I have 95, but I'm going to use 100 just for easier calculation. This should be about maximum 5000, and that battery is ready to be replaced. So in my case, This particular battery, whoa, really weak. I've driven today, I think, almost an hour with lights off to the city, and yeah, it recalculated this capacity, but still 20 amps from 95. Ooh, that's not good at all. So yeah, these values, as you can see, also changed, but yeah, this battery sadly is gangsky. That's about it. Hope this info helps you, and again, there will be a separate video that shows how to actually replace this battery. And if you can hear something in the background, it's my baby girl laughing. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.